Hello there. I've just got my ID Buzz GTX back from 6 weeks in the dealership where nothing was accomplished. And of course, the first thing that happened on the way home, tyre pressure warning light. It did look a bit low when I picked it up in the garage. I had to ask them to top it up, but the pressure light came on again before I got to my house. So I'm assuming some sort of puncture. I had a quick look at the offside rear tyre, because that's one that was suggested it was low. Couldn't really see anything obvious. Did notice that the tread was starting to get a bit low. Quick check on the fronts as well, and the fronts looked even worse, particularly on the edges. Now this is a big heavy car. I mean, it's empty, it's just under 2.9 tons. It does have all-wheel drive and 330 odd horsepower. So you'd expect it to go through the tyres maybe more quickly than your average car. I have the ID Buzz on salary sacrifice, and my salary sacrifice company get all their tyres through Quick Fit. So I took it down to my local Quick Fit to have the puncture looked at, and whilst I was there, they had a look around the rest of the tyres and they decided that it needed 4 new tyres. Now, the way the salary sacrifice company works is they want like for like, so it had to be Hankook's, as that was the original fitment. It had to be the Ventus S1 Evo 3 EV. And we're on 235 45 21s on the front and 265 40 21s on the rear. Initially, when they looked at it on Thursday, they anticipated it being 4 days before they could get the tyres, but actually they arrived yesterday. So today, Sunday, it's been in to get the new tyres fitted. So another set of fresh Hankooks on it. And let's hope these ones last longer than the first set. Now, I haven't taken a photo of the mileage, but the mileage is 11,750-ish. It's under 12,000 miles. I've only had the car 1 year, and that's £1,200 worth of tyres gone already. Even compared to the Bridgestones on my Q4 e-tron, which lasted 13,000 miles, that's pretty hard going. Hopefully that'll be the last it was in Quick Fit for at least a year, and hopefully more than 12,000 miles, but we'll see. Okay, that's all I've got for you in this video. Remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.